ready for a delicious treat on Set Up at Home, presented by San Marino Corn Tuna.
Talaga mahirap pag ikaw lang mag-isa, walang nag-aalaga sa iyo eh. Tawagan ko si Doktor. Hello, Doc?
Hello?
Hi, this is Sam. Oh, remember me?
Oh, of course I remember. Yung anak ni Mrs. Ano na? Kamusta na?
Yes po, Nako. I'm so sorry. Alam ko it's super late, pero sobrang sama talaga ng pakiramdam ko eh. Nag-house call ba kayo ng ganitong oras? Nako, sige po, can you please come here kasi I can't go to the clinic talaga.
Ganun ba? Sige, no problem. I'll be right there.
Thank you. Thank you, Doc. Okay, bye.
So Sam, ito na yung mga gamot mo ha. Don't forget.
I think I feel better na, Doc.
Oh, good.
A little bit. Just a little bit.
Naku, bukas babalikan kita para i-check mo okay ka.
Thanks, Doc, ha.
Okay, no problem.
No, sobrang emergency yung house call na yun. Thank you talaga, Doc.
Okay lang. I'm just doing my job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Don't forget ha. Pag mga medicines mo ha.
Thank you.
Sige, pagaling ka. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
The next day, medyo okay na ako, kaya naisipan kong ipagluto si Doc. My way of saying thank you. Sana magustuhan ni Doc ang aking oatmeal crusted fish fillet with San Marino tuna spread Thousand Island dressing. Here's all you need. 1 can San Marino tuna spread. Half a cup flour. 1 egg beaten. Half a cup oatmeal. 3 to 4 dory fish fillets cut into sticks. A 1/4 cup tomato ketchup. 1 teaspoon Tabasco sauce. 1 teaspoon chopped pickles. 1 mashed hard-boiled egg. Salt and pepper to taste. Oil for deep frying. Shredded nori for garnish. Place flour, egg, and oatmeal in separate bowls. Sprinkle the fish fillets with salt and pepper. Dredge the fish fillets and cook. Remember what we taught you? The FEB rule. But this time, instead of breadcrumbs, oatmeal ang ating gagamitin. Then fry until golden brown. Prepare our dressing by mixing in our San Marino tuna spread, ketchup, Tabasco sauce, pickles, and mashed eggs. Place the dressing in a small bowl, and it's time to plate. shredded nori and garnish with lemon wedges. And serve with our very special dressing. Impress your new friends with our oatmeal crusted fish fillet with San Marino tuna spread Thousand Island dressing.
Doc, ito na. Kain ka muna.
Oh, parang masarap naman yan, Miss O.
Yes. Ito yung thank you ko sa'yo. Thank you talaga. At nag-emergency house call ka sa akin yesterday.
Naku, wala yun, Miss O.
So, gumawa ako ng oatmeal crusted fish fillet with San Marino tuna spread Thousand Island dressing.
Ay, parang masarap yun, ah.
Sarap siya. Tikman mo.
Oo, sige.
So, after mo kumain, pwede na tayo mag-check up.
Sige.
Masarap yung ginawa ko kasi yung tuna spread, yung San Marino tuna spread na ginamit ko, healthy yan. Walang preservatives. Rich in omega-3 and DHA. Tapos, yung San Marino tuna spread, wala yung ibang ingredients na parang pork or beef, ganyan. It's just tuna. So, ang sarap.
Ang sarap talaga.
Talaga. Thanks, Doc.
Meron pa ba kayo nito? Parang nagugutom pa ako.
Ay, gusto mo pa? Oh, sure. Tsaka Sam na lang. Huwag na lang Miss O.
Sige, Sam.
Get you more.
Thank you. Ang sarap nito talaga.
For a copy of the recipe, log on to wmn.ph or to sanmarino.com.ph.
Doc, talagang nagustuhan mo yung luto ko. Ito pa, some more.
Ako?
Ayan.
For sure, maubos ko yan.
Oo. Go there.
Sarap talaga.
Doc, gusto mo mag-check up muna tayo? Kasi marami pa ako niyan sa kitchen. After na lang ng check up.
Okay ka na. Kasi alam mo kahapon, stress lang yun eh.
So, hindi na natin kailangan mag-check up?
Hindi na, mukha kami na okay eh, diba?
Okay.
Kain na lang tayo.
Okay, go ahead.
Meron pa ba nito?
Meron pa. Gusto mo pa?
Sige.
Sarap at Home is brought to you by San Marino Corn Tuna, San Marino Chili Corn Tuna, San Marino Tuna Paella, San Marino Tuna Fillet Spanish Style, San Marino Tuna Fillet in Water, San Marino Blue Mackerel Steak Spanish Style, San Marino Blue Mackerel Steak in Tomato Sauce, San Marino Tuna Spread. Sarap at Home would like to thank the following sponsors: Kitchen Appliances by GE, Ariston, and Violetti, Kitchen Tools by GastroChef, Cookware by Neoflam, Clothes by Plains and Prince, Carimadon, Emphasis, Tomato.
Sa'yo.
Ikaw ang nagkulang.
They turned their backs on their past and found a new love in San Marino Corn Tuna. May sarap ng corned beef at sustansya ng tuna.
Less oil, lots of tuna.
I love it. Now that they've found it, they're never letting go of San Marino Corn Tuna. Find true love in San Marino.
Try it.
Just enjoyed mouth-watering recipes on Sarap at Home, presented by San Marino Corn Tuna.